Today's question: is Python used in hacking? The short answer is yes. But let's break it down and understand why Python is so popular in the hacking world. Assalamualaikum everyone, Muhammad Iqbal here. Welcome back to my channel. What is Python? Python is a high-level programming language known for being simple and easy to understand, powerful and flexible, great for beginners and experts alike. Python is used in many areas, like web development, automation, AI, and especially cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Why do hackers use Python? Python is a favorite among hackers for several reasons. Easy to write scripts quickly, huge number of libraries and tools, supports automation and task scripting. Great for interacting with networks, files, and web servers, runs on Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. Great for interacting with networks, files, and web servers, runs on Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. Vulnerability scanning, check websites or systems for weak spots. Example: finding outdated software or default passwords. Password cracking, brute force or dictionary attacks. Libraries used: Hashlab, itertools, satellite dish packet sniffing, analyze network traffic tool. Scapy. Web scraping and data harvesting, automate data collection from websites. Libraries: requests, Beautiful Soup, SSH or FTP automation, automate login attempts or file transfers. Library: Paramiko. Ethical hacking versus malicious hacking. Python is just a tool. How you use it is up to you. Checkmark ethical hacking is legal and helps protect systems. Crossmark malicious hacking is illegal and harmful. Always practice your skills in a legal and ethical environment, like Hack the Box, Try Hack Me, virtual machines. In final, yes, Python is heavily used in hacking, especially ethical hacking. It's easy to learn, powerful, and has tons of resources if you're just starting out. Learn basic Python first, then move to networking, socket programming, and security libraries. Build your own tools and explore CTF platforms.